Centrifugal force is often referred to as a fictitious or pseudo force because it doesn't arise from a direct interaction between objects but is instead an apparent force observed in a rotating reference frame. It's important to note that centrifugal force is not a fundamental force like gravity or electromagnetism, but rather a term used to describe the outward force experienced by an object moving in a curved path. Here's how centrifugal force works conceptually. Circular motion. When an object moves in a circular path, it experiences a centripetal force directed toward the center of the circle. This force is necessary to keep the object in its curved trajectory. Centripetal force. The centripetal force required for circular motion can be provided by various means such as tension in a string, gravitational attraction, or a normal force. For example, when you swing an object around on a string, the tension in the string acts as the centripetal force. Inertial frame of reference. Observers often analyze the motion of objects from an inertial frame of reference, which is a non-accelerating, non-rotating frame. In this frame, there is no need to introduce a fictitious force like centrifugal force. Rotating frame of reference. If the observation is made from a rotating, non-inertial frame, such as standing on a spinning carousel or inside a turning car, the view changes. Objects in motion appear to experience an outward force pushing them away from the center of rotation. Apparent outward force. This apparent outward force observed in the rotating frame is what we call centrifugal force. It is not a real force acting on the object, but rather a result of the inertia of the object trying to maintain its straight-line motion while being constrained to move in a circle. In summary, centrifugal force is a term used to describe the apparent outward force experienced by an object in circular motion when observed from a rotating frame of reference. It is not a true force, but rather a convenient way to explain the effects of inertia in a rotating system. It is crucial to distinguish between centrifugal force and centripetal force, with the latter being the actual force responsible for keeping an object in circular motion.